In 1900, sponge divers stumbled upon an ancient mystery.
Among statues and coins lay a corroded lump of bronze.
Modern X-rays revealed something impossible: complex gear wheels.
Dating back to 15 BC, it defied the technological timeline.
A sophisticated analog computer designed to track the heavens. It predicted eclipses and the irregular orbit of the moon. Pointers indicated the positions of the sun and planets in the zodiac.
It even tracked the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games.
Was it Archimedes? Hipparchus? The creator remains a ghost.
This level of technology would not be seen again for 1,000 years.
Today, scientists and watchmakers have reconstructed its brilliance.
The Antikythera Mechanism rewrites the history of human ingenuity.